In this video, I will show you how to remove text box border in Excel. So open your Microsoft Excel. Now here firstly insert text box. So we have now this text box and you want to remove this text box border. Double click on this text box. Firstly I will type here some text. Okay, so we have this text box. Now to remove this border, double click on it in text box or right click on text box. Now click on format shape. Now here you will see the fill. So select no fill. Also you can select another option, solid fill, gradient, picture or pattern fill. So firstly right click on this text box. Now here click on format shape and here in the first one select line and select no line. Now click anywhere. Exit it and click anywhere. So without border you can add this text box. So this is the basic way guys to remove text box border in Excel. Thanks for watching.